So Australia's got a $6.4 billion asset that's currently taking a beating. A report released today, this one from the Australia Institute of Marine Science, paints a pretty grim picture for the Great Barrier Reef. The survey analysed the effects of a mass coral bleaching event in 2024, kicked off by the heat of the ocean, causing coral to lose its colour and its food sources and ultimately die. So the event in 2024 was the worst bleaching event ever recorded on the reef when it comes to its size. Like nearly half the area had more than 30% of its coral bleached, and about a third had over 60% bleached. So the northern and the southern parts of the reef also saw record declines in coral cover, while the central region still saw a decline and it was above its long-term average. And some of the faster growing coral was hit the hardest. This is part of the reef that had been helping the environment bounce back after these coral bleaching events. And according to the report, the Great Barrier Reef actually retains higher coral cover than many other reefs globally, but mass bleaching events are now occurring with increased frequency and severity, and the recovery periods are decreasing. And as fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas continue to be burned globally, our oceans will get warmer, and the impact is pretty clear on the reefs. A coral bleaching event, something that used to happen once every 10 to 15 years, is now occurring in quick succession. In fact, the Great Barrier Reef experienced back-to-back bleaching for the first time in 2016 and 17, and since then, more events have hit. So 2020, 2022, and 2024, and now again in 2025. The full impact of this year's bleaching will be known in the next round of surveys.